Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dennis from pipsmatter.com. Our website is going over a little bit of an update in case you guys are trying to access it and you can't. Um, what are we looking at? We're looking at DXY or USDX or in full US dollar index. And let's focus our attention right here. The first thing I want to show you guys, and the most important, is this top over here. You can clearly see a nice little sideways head and shoulders pattern being created and working out really well. Now, before I go in depth into this video, for those of you who do not understand what the US dollar index does, well, it's basically a basket of all the major trading pairs or all the major forex trading pairs against the dollar, summarized into one price action. So if this is going down, as it is here, for example, that means that the US dollar weakened against all major trading pairs, or virtually all of them, during this period. It also gained between this period and that period. So you can check this out for yourself. What I want to do here is show you the reason why I'm bearish on the dollar for this trading week. The trading week between October 29th, 2018 and November 2nd, 2018. Now we have exactly the same thing happening here. So we have a double top right now. So first top's here, second top's here. This time our head and shoulders has a sideways. This is a 4-hour chart, by the way. Sideways head and shoulders. Sorry. My bad. One sec. So this is the head. Ooh, relax yourself. One sec. My computer has not been switched off in a while and it's just acting funny. So here it is. And finally, price action is starting to go down. Now, I expect that the dollar will start to weaken. Maybe today. I'm already selling it. I'm already up on gold. I'm in the red right now. Today has not been the best trading day for me. I'm losing a little bit of money. But hey, that's okay. Losses are a part of the game. Just as long as I'm using stop losses and managing my risks, I'll be just fine. So that's why I'm not worried. My indications are that we've got a double top. We had a head and shoulders on the previous top, and now on this top we're also probably creating a head and shoulders, which should push price action downwards, the US dollar index towards the 95 area. This will result in the US dollar weakening. So let's go over to the chart, to my C Trader. By the way, a super sexy platform that everyone should be using. We've undergone a nice update right now. Things have changed a little bit, but it's still really good, and it's even better right now. So let's go to it so you can see this baby for yourself. Okay, so this is the C Trader 3.3. It's a new update. We're looking at the 1-hour chart of WTI, which is oil, and this is what I want to show you guys here. This yellow trend line. Forget about everything else for now. Just focus on the yellow trend line. Resistance, 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 almost resistance, breakout, and then retest. Breakout, retest. The retest, where is it happening? Right at the 30% from here to there. From this bottom to this top, 30%, and now it's going up. I entered a bit too quick. I was too trigger happy there. Last week was really good. I was too confident. And I was having a cigarette on my balcony this morning, and I was saying, yeah, I smoke. I said this before. It sucks. It's a bad habit I picked up when I was younger, and it's just not going away, but it will go away eventually. I'm just too busy trading the markets and working like a maniac to focus on anything else or to focus on stopping. Anyway, as you can see, I'm losing quite a bit here. I'm losing 142. I've got a bunch of positions open. I entered these AUD CADs after a new member of the group pointed it out to me. AUD CAD's it's gonna do well. 30% here as well in trend line. We'll speak about this in a minute. The 30% is right there acting as a support, trend line as a support, and my take profit is at the 160 area. Let me just fix this. So I use the Fibonacci's, but I use them a bit different. Let's switch this off. 150. So we'll set it to the 150 area. So that's where I'm going to set my take profit for now on this trade, the 150 area. So that's 150. The risk reward is not very safe here, so let's fix that up right below there. 1 and 150. Let's see what the other take profit solutions are. We're going to go to 180. 210, and 300. This is the biggest, baddest boy. 210. So let's zoom out and see where we're hitting these levels. So the most logical ones would be take profits for WTI would be this level here because of these support and resistance, well, the support levels here that turned resistance now. So this is the first take profit area right there. And then the second take profit area is in the between 210 and 180, which is, well, 210. And that's what I'm going to go for to make my risk reward ratio healthy, which is a 2 to 1, um, more or less 2 to 1. So yeah, that's WTI for you. Today is the 29th of October. You can see that down here. And it's 3:33 in the UK and it's 5:34 in Cyprus, where I'm located. Um, so let's go over my other trades. Let's go over AUD CAD. Now this is a really nice trade that Brock, a guy from the trading room, found. You can see this beautiful trend line here, holding on well, very, very well. And then the last resistance here, we have the swing from this top to this bottom is right there. And that gives us the 30% right here. So we're going to set our stop losses right above the 30%. That's where we want to be. And then now this is the 4-hour chart. Yeah, that's the 4-hour chart. And we're targeting the 120. The risk reward here is 33 pips to 138. Now that's good. Now that's good. That's how the money's made. If it works out, of course. But this is what we're targeting. As you see, the 120 adds up to this support level here. And that should work out well. If this trend line remains intact, it could work out very, very, very nicely for us. As you can see that the channel is moving downwards. Let's try and see how it looks. Probably get it from here. And then, yeah, it adds up nicely. So that's for AUD CAD. That's a nice sell there. I closed my NZD USD. That's a head and shoulders here, reversed head and shoulders. Looks really nice on the daily. You can see it here. We're just waiting for a breakout out of this and, of course, this trend line right there. We're waiting for this breakout. These two breakouts, when that happens, once this happens, then we can say that this is the shoulder, the other shoulder's here, and the head is there, and a reversal candle's right there. The reversal candle's right here, and we're waiting for a breakout. If that happens, I'm going to start buying this further. I'm just waiting for a breakout from the EMA and DC, which is already happening here. So this could be a good buy even right now. I did take it from down. I made a couple of pips. I went out because I wanted to go into AUD CAD. So yeah, like I said, my day's not the best so far. I've taken some losses already, about 100 and something in losses, and then active losses 120. I'm going a bit aggressive because if you watched my other videos, you would understand that by the end of October, which is in 2 days, on Wednesday, I need to be up big time. Not I need to, I want to be up big time. I want to be up $2,000 on this $1,000 account. Right now I'm 32.5% up. I was 45% up on Friday. Started the day with losses like I said, and now I'm waiting for some gains. Now let's go over the last one here, and that's gold. Don't get confused with the chart. We have let's clean it up a little bit. This is the 4-hour chart. The DC and EMA are, well, more or less acting as a support. We have a bullish flag pattern here, this move, and then this here. Let's make it a bit thicker so you guys can see it, and change the color to purple so it stands out. Purple is the color of patterns for me. And then we have this support level right here. Okay, you can see it acting up a lot here, resistance, then support, a bit of a fake out, support, and then again here, support. Really hoping for a nice move here. The risk reward is decent, 500 pip stop loss, 1.3, almost 1.4k profit. That's a good one. But the honey is up in the white area here. We're targeting this stop. Let me just show you this. We're targeting this stop right here. Okay, so if I see this working out, if I see price action starting to break out from this area here, if I see this being broken, 1238, I'm probably going to move my stop loss into profit and then take my take profit all the way up here. That's it. Those are my active positions. I like to be transparent. I'm showing you losses. I'm showing you profits. I'm showing you real trading. This is what real trading is about, losing money and making money. But what is more important than anything else is not how much money you make, but how much money you keep. Remember that. Um, okay, my name is Dennis. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.